What's going on, guys? Here with another video of the AUDI. So we're gonna be doing the carbon fiber on my car because it's kind of crappy. Let me show you guys. This is how it looks. It is crappy. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys can tell the difference between shine and no shine. So it's just sun damage. The sun got to it or whatever. But so we're gonna be doing a video of how to restore your shine back on your carbon fiber. I was gonna do the whole clear coat and all that stuff, but you know what? I gotta take off the whole lip, and I don't want to go through the whole process. I'm just gonna go ahead and just give it a quick wet sand. And as you guys can tell, it's right over there, all the stuff, and polish it and wax it, and hopefully that does the job. Anyways, before we start this video, guys, go ahead and give it a like, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get this video started. And this is what it means by wet sanding, guys. Put a little bit of soap in here just to make it, lubrication for when I'm sanding and stuff. Let's get this out of the way so I don't get all wet. And we're gonna just fold it one more time. Let's get some water over here. Make sure you wash your carbon fiber before you start this process, because you don't know if you have rocks or dirt. You might mess up your carbon fiber. Just give that a quick rinse. All this trash in the way. Kind of see all that dirt coming off already. All that oxidation. Look at that. A lot of oxidation. Don't worry, we're gonna get this fixed. Make this baby shine again. Now we got the 2000 grit. We're gonna do the same thing one more time, just to smooth it out, get all nice and smooth. Oh well, it's supposed to come apart like that, but we'll fix that. We're drying this up as good as we can. Make sure there's no water on it, so when we buff it out, we won't mess it up. Let's get this on here now. Hopefully I can do it by myself this time. Nope, got it on there. Yep, perfect. By the way, we're using V38 by Chemical, guys. I forgot that I had it here, so we'll be using this as my polisher instead of the other one, which is Maguire's. Let's get this going. How the fuck you think? Oh, there we go. All right. After we've done the polishing on this, I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it down real quick before we hit the wax. It's looking okay. I think it needs no, it's getting there. It's getting there. You can see it. I think after a little wax, it'll come right back out. We're applying the wax. It's fucking. Now I want to. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's too much. I'm gonna kind of move it around with my finger better, because this is a lot. Now that you are here with me. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah.
It's on the edges, huh?
No. Right here on the sides? Yeah, I did a little bit only. Only a little bit, no, not too much, because I don't want to burn the edges right here. Get it, girl.
You can't get it.
You can't get it, he said.
It's all about the motion in the ocean, remember?
Alright. So now we're gonna hit it with this Ultimate Quick Wax hydrophobic polymer technology. I think that's how you pronounce it. But anyways,
Okay.
just to finish it off.
Wax spoon.
We're doing it all nice and clean for the current fire, but the car's dirty. I'm dead.
I already fucking think that's clean.
This is a final product. I'm so sorry the lighting is not in our side today, but it's pretty cloudy. Other than him singing over there.
Listen to the rivers.
Holy shit, this guy too. But this is how it looks, guys. It came out real clean, like no lie. Look at that. You see all the shine came right back to life. It's like perfect. One more time, quick walkthrough. We used the V38 from Chemical Guys for polish. Some Maguires to wax it off, and then we used Maguire's Ultimate Quick Wax, which is just to finish it off, seal it off or whatever. And
Stay hydrated.
Harbor Frei's buffer, 20 bucks. We used two different pads, one pad for the polish, one pad for the wax, and 1200 grit and 2000 grit with a little bit of water and soap in there to wet sand it. And yeah, as you guys can tell, see all the reflections off of it again. It looks brand new. It looks even better than before, than when it was like when I first put it on here. Way better than that. We got the current fiber all nice and restored again, so we don't have to worry about it no more. It's all nice and clean. Anyways, you guys comment down below if you have any other questions. See you guys next time. Peace.